Please allow me to show you how I got this painting from this to this. Enjoy. Hello and good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be I'm actually gonna do another painting. The first one, check out painting 22. I did it this morning and I'm gonna do another one. And I'm gonna do it really quick before the kids get up, and because I do not like doing voiceovers, they never sync. But I'm gonna be only using, I think, 2 or 3 colors, including the base. So the base is still my white pearls, like a creamy white, and I'm gonna use this as the top paint. This is a mixture of turquoise and blue. Yes, let's go ahead and pour. So now we're gonna use this beautiful color that I got by mixing turquoise and blue. This is very pretty color. So we just do a puddle in the middle and then we'll tilt. I was so tempted to put another another color in there, but I'm glad I didn't because it looks like so nice right now. I'm so glad I didn't put another color in there. My son just woke up and he loves it. I love it, love it, love it. I can paint all day, seriously. This is how much I love painting. So yeah, that is what we have. I'm very happy with my two paintings today. Very different colors and very different outcomes. Okay, here it is, a little bit close up before it dries. Look at those cells. I'm not surprised that I got these pearls because I mixed my my mixture very well, and this is exactly how I envisioned it. So yeah, let me turn off this light. So are you guys ready to see this beauty hanging on the wall? Here it is. It is beautiful. It is so awesome. I mean, it's all nice and dry, and it looks better in person. Seriously. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, share with your friends and family, like, comment, and I will see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.